Hi, it's James here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can give another team member access to your Gmail inbox. This feature is called Delegated Access, and it allows you to grant someone else access to your Gmail inbox without having to share your password or your login details. It's fantastic if you go away on holiday and you need someone else to keep an eye on the emails that are coming in and maybe send emails on your behalf. And this is how you set up Delegated Access. In Gmail, you need to click on the Settings cog in the top right hand corner and then select See All Settings. Under the Accounts tab, click on that and you'll see a section called Grant Access to Your Account. You can see in this account, it's a training account I'm using, but I've actually already granted myself access to this because there's a bit of this process that takes 30 minutes to go through, and I thought that might be a bit too long for the video, so I've done a bit in advance. So what we want to do, we want to give someone access to this training email inbox, or in your case, your email inbox. What you need to do is just click on Add Another Account. This box will appear, and this is where you type in the email address of the colleague or team member that you want to give access to. So in this case, I'm going to give Kyle access to it. Now, it's important to know you can only give access to people who are on the same Google Workspace domain as you. So that's the part after your email address. So if they've got the same ending on their email address, you'll be able to grant them access. If you're doing this with a free Gmail account, you can only give access to other people who've got a free Gmail account. And if you don't see this feature at all, that's because your Google Workspace admin hasn't enabled it. You need to have a chat with them and ask them to enable delegated access to your Gmail. Once they've done that, just reload Gmail and you should see these options. So once you've added the email address, click Next Step. It's now going to send an email to the person to let them know that you're giving them access to your email inbox. But there's also a link on there that they've got to click on to verify that they want access, to accept it basically. Once they click on it, that's the part that takes 30 minutes to set up. So let's send this email. So Kyle's now received an email asking him if he wants access to my email inbox to manage it on my behalf. While we're waiting for that, you've got a couple of settings that you can change here. So you've got the markers red, so you can do it when, say, if Kyle enters the email inbox. If he reads an email, we can decide if Gmail should mark it as read or leave it unread. Likewise, if he was sending an email on our behalf, we can actually let Gmail add that to the email when it's being sent, to say it's been sent on your behalf, that you didn't actually send it. Or you can select this option here, which will just make it look like it came from you and they won't know that it was actually written by somebody else. So now we've got that done, let's have a look at what the other person sees when they want to access your email inbox. So here we are, we're logged into my email inbox, and it's really easy for me to get access to the training account that I've just given delegated access to. All I've got to do is click on my profile picture in the top right hand corner and it will list the accounts that I have access to. All I need to do is click on the account. This would be your account in this case because they'll be looking to access yours. They click on that and your account will just open in a new window. No login codes, nothing needed to be entered. They've now got access to the training account and they can manage your emails for you. So now you're back from your holiday and you want to stop people from having access to your email that you've given delegated access to. Real easy to do. Go to Gmail, click on the Settings cog, then click on See All Settings, go back to that Account tab, and just next to their name where it says Delete, click Delete. And that means they no longer have delegated access to your Gmail, and it's all private to you again.